take this thing. Tell them anything you want to tell them.
I am a princess.
Say, hey guys, before you start.
Hey guys.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe our channel.
Go ahead and talk to them. Yeah, hello guys. So we are about to do our mukbang. Our abacha mukbang. Hey, this abacha is so nice. Join us to eat the abacha. So you see hobby is doing justice to his own. Yeah. Yay, baby. Sweetheart. Sweet baby. Look at her. Look at her. Enjoying herself, feeling herself with her daddy. Hey, beautiful. How are you? Say hi. Hi. She say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Hi to my channel. See our beautiful girl, beautiful baby. She say hi. See how beautiful she is. See how beautiful. See how beautiful. See how beautiful. Baby, okay, dance for me, dance for me. Dance. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, join us to eat it. Yeah, come and do mukbang with us. See the mukbang, the abacha, nice abacha. If you're a lover of abacha, put it down in the comment section. Let us know, okay? Yes. If you're a lover of abacha, I love abacha so much, and this one is well prepared, so yummy, very nice. Our goat meat pepper soup. You see, a lot of mukbang. Goat meat pepper soup. A lot of mukbang. Okay. Your own is ready. Yeah. Today, a lot of food, a lot of mukbang. Meanwhile, if you are still watching up till now and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Hit the red button to subscribe to our channel. Support your girl to go viral. Like and share the video, okay? Yes, thank you for supporting me, African Lioness TV. Enjoy with us. Enjoy our goat meat pepper soup with us. Hey, if you like goat meat pepper soup, tell us in the comment section. Tell us on the comment section. See? Goat meat pepper soup. If you like goat meat pepper soup, put your comment down on the comment section. Join us to do this mukbang. This is New Year 2022, so we are starting New Year with a good note. Eat, and dine and wine. Hit the red button to subscribe to our channel, African Lioness TV. Thank you for supporting us. Delicious meal. Hit the red button if you are yet to subscribe our channel. Also click on the bell notification icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to get the video. African Lioness TV. Thank you for always coming to watch our video. Like and share the video and let your girl go viral. Thank you.
Close that door first. Turn off that light. The light.
Hit the red button to subscribe to our channel if you are yet to subscribe. African Lioness TV. Like and share the video. Let your girl go viral. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you. Smash the red button to subscribe. Like and share the video. Thank you for your love and support. African Lioness TV. Smash the red button to subscribe. Like and share the video. Thank you for your love and support. African Lioness TV. Smash the red button to subscribe. Like and share the video. Thank you for your love and support. African Lioness TV.
Outside there, nobody is in. Outside there, nobody is in. Don't fall
me from this year.
Yeah, come on, dance for me. Stay here.
I don't want to repeat myself. Words like Facebook.
I am definitely the biggest.
Definitely the biggest. Come here, stay
I
here.
can reach everything.
You can reach everything.
Yes.
Do it again. Tiffany like, no, stay here and do it. Let me see. Stay here. You're Tiffany like big, like this. Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Now I am baptized to save the day.
Wait, say it again. You are what?
I am baptized.
Red title?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that's big, really.
Yes.
So you are big, right? Red title. Red title. You see red title. She's red title. Tiffany the big. Say it again. Say you are what? Say what you are. Say what you are.
I'm baptized.
Red title.
Yes.
Tiffany the what?
The biggest.
The biggest. Oh, I thought big, not knowing that it's the biggest. Tiffany, the biggest. Look at her. Okay, show us the biggest. Show us how big. Show us how big you are. How big are you?
Taller than myself in the air.
Really?
I'm just like my daddy.
Taller than everyone on this earth. Wow, look at her. Look at her. Look
I
at
am taller
like
like that.
Look at how pretty she is. Look at her. Pretty, feeling herself. Wow, I love her. I love this baby. Baby Tiffany. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. Oh. Woo. Beautiful. Okay, ask me the question again.
I can't say.
Princess, say it again.
I can't say.
Who is a princess?
Yes.
Who is the princess?
Me and you.
Both of us. We are princess. Who? Princess.
Me and Minko, me and Auntie and Mommy.
We are all princess.
Daddy's singing.
Daddy is
Uncle's
prince.
singing.
Daddy is prince. Daddy and uncle, they are prince, right? While you, me, and mommy, and our baby, we are what?
Princess.
Woo, princess! Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. We are princess.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yourself on TV, okay? Tiffany, baby, you're gonna watch yourself on TV tomorrow.
Okay.
You wanna see yourself on TV? You wanna see yourself on a YouTube channel? My YouTube channel is African Life and TV. So you're gonna see yourself there tomorrow. You want it? You wanna see yourself? Okay, say hi. Hi everyone. Subscribe to my auntie's channel. Tell them subscribe to our channel. Tell them. Say okay. Say this. Say subscribe to our channel. You guys subscribe to our channel. Tiffany the biggest. Right? Huh?
Yes.
Tiffany the what?
The biggest.
The biggest? The red title.
Yes.
Ooh.
I am actually get excited.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, tell them who you are.
Hey guys, I am excited.
Say it again.
Hey guys, I'm Rebecca.
What's your sister's name?
Blue Title.
She's Blue Title.
Yeah.
Are you sure? You are speaking for her. Are you sure she is Blue Title? Baby. Daddy, say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
My dad,
Red
is not nice.
Red type. Show me, show me. So what is this? What is that now? What is that you are doing? Oh, really? Wow. Look at Tiffany. Oh yeah, start. Oh yeah, start.
3, 2,
Oh yeah. Look at her. Okay, go ahead. Red title. Dance for me, baby. Is this how you are dancing? Oh my God. Red title. You go. Red title. Whoa! Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, ask me the question again. Say it again. Who is a princess? Who is the princess? Both of us. We are princesses. Princesses.
Me and Auntie and Mommy.
We are all princesses, right? Daddy is prince. Daddy is prince. Daddy and uncle, they are prince, right? While you, me, and mommy, and our baby, we are what?
Princess.
Woo, baby. Hello guys, this is the end of part 2. Watch out for part 3.